Made it to dock, Stove's campground. Day started off cold and wet, a little drizzly, but it ended with it being nice and sunny and pretty warm. I should jump into shorts. The ice eaves on the roads. The front end of my trailer, I think, is flexing too much, and it's doing more of this damage. My truck tire jack in the front, though, under the bed, it looks like it's holding just fine there. But I gotta put the trim back in and do some more sealing again in case it rains. You can see where it bounced out again, so I gotta reseal it. Kinda, yeah, there's no way to stop that. I need better support out here. Maybe another brace job I need to do with Isaac at Trailer People in Belmore. On this side it popped out and got on the wrong side, and it's bent again. So there's just got to be a better way to support this. The screw's all the way in, but the problem is the screw's here, and then there's nothing all the way out here. So you got, what is that, 10 inches or so? 8 inches? There's nothing supporting this, and so I think what's happening when I hit those heaves in the road, this flexes too much and bends this down and pops out. So I gotta take it apart, reseal it again. Ugh. I think I need to come up with just a better bracing system.